Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix that Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 connection has failed and blue light is flashing. I'm talking about this blue light, which is over here, and if you do have this blue light flashing, you need to wait a moment. Cancel, and now you need to ensure that 2.3 GHz / 500 GHz band is stable. So at first you need to go straight to the system settings in your iPhone or Android device, go to the Wi-Fi and check how many lines in your Wi-Fi do you have. If you do have pre-connection mode, try switching to the better Wi-Fi network, for example, with 4 to 5 lines, and make sure that this is stable. So do a speed test. You can just, for example, type in your Safari web browser or Chrome or any other web browser speed test, and just perform it by yourself. You can just tap here. And now, as I can see, I do have my internet stable, so we can leave it like that. If your connection is stable, that's nice. If it isn't, move closer to the router, or of course to the place where you gain your internet connection. Apart from that, you can try to reset your camera. To reset your camera, you need to hold this button over here for at least 7 seconds, over here, and just wait until the light is blinking, etc. And when you're done root repairing, ensuring that location services in your device are on. So in your iPhone, to check that, open the settings and scroll down to the privacy and security. I think that this is the same on your Android device. Location services, and make sure that this is turned on. Then everything should be working fine. But if it still isn't, you need to contact device support because your camera may be broken. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.